think there's a good lookout up here somewhere. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Wow, that is a good view. Holy crap. Come and watch the submarine races with my wife up here maybe. Wow, sun's getting low. But we'll keep moving. The Mount Borbor Plateau, what a beautiful view. If you look real close, that you see it on the GoPro, there's a little bit of snow up there, just above that sign, or to the right of that sign. Don't know if my lens is fogging up, but we'll soon find out, won't we? Rollin in my 660, rag top down so my hair can blow. Will it ever stop, yo? I don't know. We're going to find out though. Got home from work with a little bit of light tonight. Sun's going down over there, but just decided I'd get the bike out for a run. Hasn't been out for a week or a half, 2 weeks now. I fitted a new gear lever and a new microphone on my camera, so hopefully the audio will be a bit clearer. Went for a road brand mic like I've had before. The last one broke about 3 months ago and I've just had a cheaper one, but I have noticed a drop in sound quality, so a better mic. And yeah, fitted a off-the-road gear lever for the 660, so just wondering if I had that position right, but it's always very hard to tell on the shed. You have to go for a ride, but yeah, got that right. So yeah, out for a cruise, and I'll just loop back by a car wash. I haven't even washed it since I did the little sand ride. Pretty happy with the Tenere. I can probably manage it in sand. And I've recently seen a guy riding around up there on a 660, and he crossed the sand and did the Hay River track up across the Simpson. So yeah, so that gave me a little bit of confidence. I just wondered, not having ever owned a touring bike before, whether it was going to do the job or not. But there you go, looks like it is. So I'm just taking random corners, heading in random directions, and seeing what random things I come across. Always good to get out, clear your head. And give the bike a run. Certainly the air is cooling very quickly. I won't be going too far. Just riding in a pair of work pants, so generally don't go too far unless I've got all the gear on. Certainly got my jacket and gloves and all that stuff, and yeah, just got the FXD pants, so I'll take it nice and easy. We've got past the winter solstice, so that means we're past the shortest day. So for me, even though there's 2 months of winter to go yet, it's always a good feeling to get past that day. Days start getting longer. You just got more chance of getting out and doing something after work, so to speak. But yeah, work's still busy. Worked till friggin' 9 o'clock last night and then drove 3 hours home, so not an ideal lifestyle I'm leading here. Excuse me. But we are getting on top of it, and I know I've been saying that for 6 months. Slowly but surely, slowly but surely. And the first thing I'm going to do, when I do get on top of it, so I'm going to disappear for 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. Me and the 660 are going to spend some quality time together. I'm going to ride her until she's sick of being ridden. We'll head north, up into the desert country, the outback of Australia, and just find some interesting places to go. No particular plans, as usual with me, just a couple of items I want to drive past, ride past, and the rest I just make up as I go. But I'll believe it when it happens. Call me a skeptic if you want, but the way things have been running for the last 18 months. But yeah, looking forward to trying to do that, particularly now that I know the bike can handle a bit of sand. As I say, we'll see how we go. I think we'll head back down to town and hit the car wash, as you do. Don't ever let anyone tell you a 660 has not got enough power. It's just got a really nice amount of power. The fact that it propels a 200 kilo bike along so well, it's a credit to the engine. I need to reel this guy in, going too slow. There we go. Ooh. See if we can find a car wash that's empty. Oh god, it looks like the bases are loaded. Bugger. People waiting too. Alright, we'll get some fuel. Oh, we got 98 unleaded premium. What are we running them, people? I'd love to know. Put something in the comments. I tend to always run a bit higher octanes. I think that's what they recommend in the manuals. Generally a 95 or higher, so certainly $2.30, you know what you're paying for. Alright, that looks better. Now, what you do is you go home, you park it in the shed, you grab a beer, and you enjoy your handiwork. I think that's how it goes, isn't it? Sure, we've all done that. Very nice. Clear your head ride. See if we've got any brakes. Yep. Yep, beautiful. Gonna head home for a beer. We'll call that a day well spent. Now we get to enjoy our handiwork. Glad I got a bit of time just to get out and get it nice and clean again. Give it a bit of a run. And of course we get to enjoy a beer. Cheers. With maybe just a little bit of dreaming while looking at that map. Look at all those deserts. Look at all those roads. Look at all those square kilometres to be explored.